Good day, ma'am. This is my report on Chapter 11, the law regulating professional congress or organizers. Next is the learning objectives. First, enumerate the responsible of professional congress organizers. Next is identify the laws that governs business and congress, conference or event organizers. Provide examples for safeguards that may be observed by professional congress organizers to prevent violation of any law. Next is the conference, exhibition, trade shows, and other events take place in major cities of the country with some foreign delegates. It is the job of professional congress or event organizers to plan carefully a memorable, organized, and successful affair. Meetings, incentives, convention, and events are part of business tourism sector. Major throughout often under valuable sector of the wider tourism industry. This chapter deals with the laws regulating to the professional events planner and convention organizer will be also discuss the professional congress organizer which also encompass other names applied to professional events planner convention organizers. This will also discuss the accreditation requirements by the Department of Tourism. Next is the nature and description of the business. The law. Convention. Any regarding for the purpose of exchanging or disseminating views, technical expertise, experiences, knowledge, skills, information, policies, or any other related activity. It does not include corporation meeting or events where participation is limited to company personnel only. The term shall be include any of the following: conference, usually general session and face-to-face groups with high participation to plan. It get facts, solve organizations and member problems. Congress, more commonly used to European designation for convention and mainly international in scope. Seminars, usually one face-to-face group sharing experiences in particular field under the guidance of an expertise discuss leader. Attendance is 30 person or less. Lecture, a formal presentation by an expect sometimes followed by questions and answer period. Simultaneous, a plan discussed by expertise in a given field before a large audience with some audience participation but ability less than a form. Form, a panel discussion taking opposite side of any issues by except expect in a given field with liberal opportunities for audience participation. Workshop, usually a general session of face-to-face groups or participants training each other to gain new knowledge, skills, or insight into a problem. Attendance, generally more no more than 30 to 35 participants. Colloquium, a program in which participants determine the matter to be discussed. The leader will be construct the program around the most frequent problem, usually attended by 35 persons or less, with equal emphasis on instruction and discussion. Professional group organization, PCO, any person naturally or juridical whose managed convention, either an official or an organization, cons- consultant, volunteer, or as a written professionals. Discussion of the law. The following may apply for accreditation as PCO under the Department of Tourism. A. A resident Filipino citizen. B. Partnership organized under the laws of the Philippines, at least 60% of capital of which is owned by the Filipino citizens. C. Corporations organized under the law of the Philippines. At least 60% of its subscribe common for voting shared and stocks being owned by Filipino citizens and composed of its board of directors being at least 60% of Filipinos. The next is accreditation of professional congress organizers. The following are the requirements for the insurance of accreditation by the Department of Tourism. A. In case of a single proprietorship, a business name, certificate, and all amenities, advancement thereto in the case of partnership or corporation, a certified true copy of the artist of partnership, incorporation and its bylaw, and amendment thereto duly registered with the Securities and Exchange Commissions. B. Complete list of its exclusive offers and employees in deciding therein and their nationality, home address, and their positions. C. Contract of lease or contract to lease the office space intended to use the PCO. Next is mayor's permit, municipal license. E. List of income tax return and audited financial statement reflecting a working capital of 100,000 pesos and such other documents that the department may require from time to time. As an event, organizers have various safety duties known as collectively as duties of responsible care, planning, and any activity or special event is important since there is an element of risk present. These are to investigate all aspects of the event, including the safety and security, and act of accordingly. To inform the warm participants of no risk, to plan for the safety and well-being of every participant, and to ensure participants are not objective to unreasonable risk for or harm. So the next is the rule of regulations in the event industry is to protect the rights and interests of all stockholders involved, including clients, participants, and organizers. So that's all my report on chapter 11. Once again, this is Glenn G. Balaba, a BSHM 3B student, and thank you for watching and listening in my report on chapter 11. Have a nice day.